Hey everyone, welcome to your Westlake Village Market Update for July 2025. I'm Reena Dutta with Y Realty, and today I'm going to share some absolutely incredible market data that's going to blow your mind. If you're thinking about buying or selling in Westlake Village, you need to hear this because the market has completely transformed. So what are we talking about here? I'll tell you. Let me start with just this shocking statistic, guys. 73% of homes in Westlake Village are now selling below asking price. That's nearly 3 out of every 4 homes. If you've been waiting for the luxury market to shift in your favor, that moment is right now. We're seeing the biggest luxury market correction in decades, with some properties dropping 28% from their peak. But here's what's really interesting. Despite these price drops, homes are actually selling 46% faster than last year. That, to me, is pretty incredible if you think about it. So let's dive into the numbers. As of June 25th, 2025, here's what we stand. So, May 25th, June 25th to July 25th is the time period. The median price in Westlake Village is now between 1.38 and 1.47 million. Depending on the data source, that's down significantly from the 2 million plus peaks we saw just a couple of years ago. And we have 62 homes currently for sale, which gives buyers incredible selection. And here's the kicker. The average days on market has actually improved to 35 to 41 days, down from 65 days last year. So what is this dramatic price correction? What is this about? Well, now let's talk about what everyone wants to know, right? The prices. We're seeing a year-over-year change ranging from 4.4% decline to as much as 28.3%, depending on which segment you're looking at. So the luxury segment, those 5+ bedroom homes are down 15.8% year over year. 4-bedroom homes are down 6.1%. But here's what's interesting. Smaller luxury properties, 1 to 3 bedrooms, are actually holding their value better or even appreciating. So this tells us the market is making a clear distinction between different types of luxury properties. So the sales and activity volume, that's something that sometimes people have questions around. So I'm going to talk about this a little bit. Despite the price correction, sales and volume is actually up 69.2% year over year. We sold 11 to 22 homes in June, compared to just 13 last year. So buyers are definitely active. They're just being strategic about pricing. And here's the most important stat for buyers. 72.7% of homes are selling below asking price. Only 18% are asking, and just 9% are going over asking. And this is a complete reversal from the seller's market we saw in 2021 and 2022. So I think we should go over neighborhood breakdown. Let me break this down by neighborhood because each area is performing differently. So Lake Sherwood, our gated luxury community, is seeing prices in the 2.2 to 2.8 million range. These are taking longer to sell, typically 45 to 75 days, because buyers at this level are very selective. North Ranch, our golf course community, is the most active segment right now. Prices are running 1.4 to 1.8, and these are moving in 30 to 60 days. So in this market, that is not so bad, guys. Westlake Island, with those beautiful waterfront properties, is seeing 1.8 to 2.5 million, but buyers are being very selective here too. So Central Westlake Village, that is our range from 1.2 to 1.6, right? So those are actually moving the fastest and represent the best value in the market right now. So what does this mean for buyers? If you're a buyer, this is the opportunity you've been waiting for. For the first time since 2019, you have real negotiating power in the luxury market. You can take your time. There are 62 properties to choose from. You can negotiate, and 73% of sellers, remember, are accepting below asking price offers. You can protect yourself with full inspection and financing contingencies. Well, I'm recommending for my buyer clients, consider offers 5 to 15% below asking price. Request seller contributions to closing costs and take advantage of the fact that you're not competing against 10 other offers anymore. Well, what does this mean for sellers? Now, if you're thinking about selling, the strategy has completely changed. With 68% of listings experiencing price drops, pricing strategy is absolutely everything right now. You cannot overprice in this market, period. The market is rewarding realistic pricing and punishing overpricing more severely than we've seen in years. So professional staging and photography aren't optional anymore. They really never were. They're essential. You're competing against 62 other properties, so your home needs to stand out immediately, and you need to be prepared for negotiations. Gone are the days of multiple offers over asking price. Today's buyers expect to negotiate, and successful sellers are accommodating reasonable requests. So, mortgage rates and affordability. So that's something that we really need to talk about. Let's talk about financing, because this is crucial for luxury buyers. Current mortgage rates are sitting at 6.67 to 6.75 for conventional loans and 6.8 to 7 for jumbo loans. And in Westlake Village, most buyers need the jumbo loan. So here's what that means for affordability. If you make $300,000 a year, you can afford about a $1.2 million home right now. At $400,000 income, you're looking at $1.6 million. And at $500,000 a year, income gets you to $2 million. The good news is that rates have stabilized compared to the volatility we saw in 23 and 24. And with prices coming down, the overall affordability picture is actually improving for qualified buyers. So what are the market predictions? All right, so what's coming next? In the short term, the next 3 to 6 months, I expect continued price stabilization at these current levels. We're not going to see dramatic drops from here, but we're also not going back to 2021 pricing anytime soon. The market is finding its equilibrium. So buyers and sellers are both adjusting their expectations, and we're moving toward a more balanced, sustainable market. Long-term, Westlake Village fundamentals remain incredibly strong. Of course, we have excellent schools, beautiful amenities, and a prime location. Current prices may actually represent excellent value for long-term buyers. So what are my strategic recommendations? Okay, so here's my advice. If you're a buyer, this is your moment. Don't wait for prices to drop further. They may not. But do take advantage of your current negotiation power and the selection available, okay? If you're a seller, price aggressively from day one. It's better to price right and sell in 35 days than to overprice and sit on the market for 90 plus days with multiple price reductions. Guys, you will make more money if you price it right from the beginning. I promise you. That's what the stats show, actually. And for everyone, work with an agent who really understands the luxury market. The strategies that worked in 2022 will not work in 2025. So what do I want you to do? Well, whether you're buying or selling, I'd love to help you navigate this market. I'm offering free consultations where we can discuss your specific situation and create a customized strategy. For buyers, I can show you how to take advantage of current conditions and negotiate the best possible deal. For sellers, I can help you price strategically and position your home to sell quickly in this competitive environment. You can reach me at the information that you see below. And also, just remember that you can schedule a consult with me. You can use that button to schedule a consult. You can get free resources. I look forward to working with you guys. And my final thoughts on this are, the bottom line is this. The Westlake Village luxury market has fundamentally shifted. We're in a new era where buyers have power, sellers need strategy, and everyone needs to adjust their expectations. But for those who understand the market and act strategically, oh my goodness, there are incredible opportunities right now. So whether you're looking to buy your dream home at a significant discount or sell strategically before the market shifts again, now is the time to act. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next market update. Don't forget to subscribe for monthly updates and feel free to reach out with any questions that you have, okay? All right, take care. Have a wonderful day.